The CE error code on a Kenmore Elite dryer appears when there is a communication issue between the interface and the control board. This issue can be caused by various factors, including power surges, clogged vents, a faulty thermistor, or a defective control board. To resolve the problem, start by resetting the dryer. Unplug it, wait for at least 5 minutes, and then plug it back in to see if the code persists. If the issue remains, try unplugging the vents. Remove the lint screen and filter. Detach the duct from the dryer, and take off the external vent cover. Use a brush wand to loosen any lint in the vents, and then use a vacuum cleaner to remove the debris. Reassemble the vent and check if the code is still present. If it is, inspect the thermistor. Unplug the dryer. Remove the rear panel, and locate the old thermistor, which is usually attached to the drum. Test its resistance and replace it if necessary, using the manual as a reference for standard measurements. If none of these steps resolve the issue, the control board may need to be replaced. Unplug the dryer. Remove the top panel. Disconnect the wire harnesses, and slide the old board out of its bracket. Install a new board. Attach the wires, and reattach the top panel. After trying these solutions, plug in the dryer to see if the problem has been resolved.